I want to get back to the markets because I really enjoy a Monday morning when I see a sea of green. And here we go. Dow's up 200, Nasdaq is up 345. Jason Katz joining us now to cover the market for us. Is this, I think you said this last week, this is the most hated bull market run we've seen ever, is it?
Yeah, and that's because a lot of people have missed it. I was telling Steve offset that I've never gotten more calls than in the last 2 weeks asking me, when is this thing going to nosedive? Really, I mean, it's astounding. And I think the fact is that people have these memories from the 90s, and they think they've seen this movie before. That said, every movie has a little bit of a different ending and certainly plot twists. So I do not think it ends in that way. So I think that this market has legs, but trees don't grow to the sky. We're going to get a break in the action, but this is the real deal.
Okay. What are we going to see from big tech earnings this week? I keep hearing that they could derail the rally if they don't show that AI is contributing to the bottom line.
I don't want to go as so far, Stu, to say that this is a make or break week for earnings and big tech, but clearly, if they don't deliver, given the amount of run-up in the multiple they trade out, there's not that much room for error. That said, I think you're going to get more of the same. I think they're going to beat. I think they're going to raise. But more important than that, they have to reaffirm the capital expenditures on AI. And if they do that, perhaps you get a bit of a sell the news event, but it won't be a dramatic sell the news. It'll be a reprieve.
Different subject, silver. It's not a subject that we cover very often, and I guess investment managers don't cover it very often either because it's a sleeper precious metal, isn't it? What do you think about silver at $46 a share?
I've heard it characterized as the poor man's gold.
Yeah.
It's down 4% today. But you think about it, it shares a lot of the same attributes that gold has. In fact, beyond being a safe haven in times of adversity, it has actually more industrial application in EV, in electronics, and in solar. So if you're looking to get long metals, which a lot of people are, a cheaper way to do that is silver. I think it's at 40 some odd.
46 right now.
Yeah, I think 55 is within reach.
Okay, and it's been to 53, backed off to 46. You might get to 53, 55.
Ballooning debt,
Any advance on 55?
Weaker dollar, lower interest rates supports gold and silver at these levels. Buy the dip.
Jason Katz, thank you very much indeed.
Thank you.